Today, we're going to talk about email broadcasting so you can increase your revenue the easy way. Welcome back. Kevin here. If you have an online business, I will help you increase your revenue, decrease your expenses, and get more attention. Check the description below to get the step-by-step guide so you can increase your revenue with email broadcasting the easy way. The guide is free for a limited time, and it'll help you follow along with this training. Okay, I see we've got a few folks in the chat I want to say hi to. Got David from Atlanta. Cindy, hey Cindy. Cindy from Los Angeles. Michael from Quebec. Bruce from Miami. And everybody else in the chat, get ready. Okay, we're going to generate more revenue with these email broadcasting tips. I've helped out many online apparel retailers with their online marketing over the past 27 years. Now, one retailer liked to send a lot of email broadcasts. They'd send about 7 to 10 emails in a week. Each email took multiple people many hours to create. The subject lines weren't all that compelling, so the open rates were kind of low. I mean, when customers see BOGO 50% off tees this weekend, there's pretty much no reason to open the email. And especially there's no reason to open it now, right? The body of the email only showed off all the clothing, so the click-through rate was kind of low. Why click to see the clothing when all the clothing items are right there in the email, right? So you guessed it, these emails were a complete failure, bringing in just a few orders from each email broadcast. And basically, the usual amount of customers that were going to buy purchased anyway, so there wasn't much of a lift in revenue from each email broadcast. Now think for a moment. What if the team were to do the exact opposite of what they were doing? Create compelling subject lines with urgency so customers had to open the email now. Then what do you think would happen? You guessed it. People would have to open now, creating a higher open rate. Now, what if they did not include specific clothing items in the email? What do you think would happen? Yep. Customers would have to click to the website to see the clothing, creating a higher click-through rate. See, remember, you can't buy from an email. You got to get the customer over to the website now. Okay, let's increase your revenue now. I'm going to help you get your email open now, get your email read now, and get your customers to click now so they can buy now. Now, there's two types of time. I like to say it's two types of time. There's now and there's not now. Now is basically now. Well, not now really means never. And some also call not now things like later, tomorrow, next week, in a minute, Tuesday, this evening, when I get around to it, things like that. But at the end of the day, not now means never. So, when would you like your email broadcast opened? Now or not now? Okay, the best way to get your email open now is to write a compelling subject line. Don't tell the customer what's inside the email. If you tell them everything in the subject line, then they'll just open your email later. Remember when later is, right? Never. Use curiosity to make your subject lines more compelling. The job of a subject line is to get the email opened, and that's it. Use urgency to get them to open it now. Use words like offers ending, ends now, get it now. And if you can, in the from line, in the from section, it should be something like a person's name. It's better if it's a person's name rather than info at or customer service at. You can also use subjectline.com to help you create more compelling subject lines. Now keep these subject lines less than 50 characters. Use emojis, use brackets, use exact numbers down to the penny when possible, when it has to do with money. Keep words less than 8 characters. Test and keep track of what's working for you. If you've been emailing for a while, export your performance from your email service provider, your ESP, from the beginning of time to present, and make notes on which subject lines have the best open rates. Okay, now let's get your email opened now. Now, the goal of the body of the email is to get your users to click over to your website. That's it. The goal of the top of the email, the headline, is to get the customer to continue reading. Then get them to continue reading a little more. And then give them a call to action. Remember, you can't sell from your email. They can't buy anything. You need them to click over to your website. Now, many emails from a business to a customer are HTML based. 30 to 40% of email readers cannot see images. So, remember to include some text and a text link, and not just images with an image link. This has to be text and not text inside of an image. This way, if your viewer can't see the images, then they'll at least see the text. And once in a while, you should send a text-only email with no images, no HTML, none of the flashy stuff. You want to test this to see how it works well for you. Does it work? Does it not? Test it. Sometimes just changing things up a bit also makes your customers pay attention a little more. Click a little more and increase your revenue. And we like that. Now, we're going to talk about getting your customers to click now so they can buy now. Now, if you tell the user everything on your email broadcast, then they're going to have no reason to click to visit your website. The goal is to get them to click to your website so they can buy. They can't buy from your email. Did I already say that 5 or 6 times? I'm sure I have. Make your email message easy to understand. Give them just one idea or one single theme. Having multiple messages in a single email just confuses your customers. Don't mention free shipping. Don't mention discounts. Don't mention offers. Don't mention guarantees or price. Focus on one outcome or result that your customer wants today, right now. No need to include links to social, shipping information, guarantees, payment methods, frequently asked questions, none of that. Just focus on getting the viewer to the website where they can buy. Make your message about them by using you and your in your ad copy. Most of the time, less copy is best. Think about it. The goal of your email is to get your customers over to your website where they can buy. So put the copy and everything they need to know over on your website, not inside your email. More importantly, test it. See what works well for your customers. Use urgency and scarcity to get your customer to click here now. If you have a limited amount of product or time is running out, put that in your email. Another way to unconfuse your user is to write in simple language. Use the free Hemingway app to help you write to maybe a 3rd grade level or so. Use multiple calls to action in your email, and your buttons or links place language that will give the customer an outcome. Okay, let me explain this a little bit more. You can test this to see if click here now works, or click here to get the Nike Dunks now. See how you got that inside the link? Click here to get the Nike Dunks now. That's the outcome they're looking for. Or click here to see the new arrivals now. See, it's the action is inside of the link. Test it. See if it works for you. Read your email aloud before sending. This should uncover snags in your copy, and you can make adjustments as needed. Test and keep track of what works and also what doesn't work. If you've been emailing for a while, remember I said this a second ago, export your performance from your email service provider from the beginning of time to present. Make notes on which body copy had the best click-through rates. Now be careful. Most email service providers improperly calculate the click-through rate. The click-through rate needs to be measured clicks divided by opens and not clicks divided by emails sent, because you just want to find out if the body copy of your email has a good click-through ratio. That's what you're looking for. Okay? Most importantly, don't spend too much time creating your email. Done is better than perfect. So, to sum it all up, use these tips to get your email open now, get your email read now, and get users to click to your website now so they can buy now. Okay, and remember, get the step-by-step guide so you can increase your revenue with email broadcasting. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you got value from this video, and hit that thumbs button below now. And leave a comment if you want to add to the conversation or have a topic you want to know more about. Feel free to watch this video and share with others. And for those in my coaching program, we're going to the chat to answer your questions. And for everyone else, visit the links below and feel free to leave a comment or question and get the guide. Okay, over to the chat. Michael, you have a